My name is Harshita Ganesh. I'm a board member for the Women Project. We are a statewide organization bringing the power of art, advocacy, and education to make a better and more just Rhode Island. I am here in front of the State House tonight to celebrate that this week the Equality in Abortion Coverage Act, also known as the EACA, will officially be introduced with not only a slew of co-sponsors in the House and the Senate, but with a robust set of organizations and a very loud and passionate majority of voters pushing for the passage this year. The EACA will get rid of a policy that takes away health coverage for abortion for low-income Rhode Islanders who use Medicaid to get their care. It will get rid of a policy that withholds coverage for abortion for the people who keep our state running. Abortion bans are harmful. They are discriminatory. They need to go. It's time to pass the EACA. Whether somebody is choosing adoption, seeking abortion, becoming a parent, or adding to their family, we should ensure they have the affordable health care and are supported